Hello YouTubers, this is Emmanuel. Welcome to Megatronics. Today what you're going to do is to send an email with our Arduino Uno with the help of the Rebellion 3G shield. I hope I got it right. Okay, so I've been wanting to do this project for quite some time. Got into YouTube, searched for some videos, and it was quite tedious, but God being so good, I've been able to find a way to send an email via the Arduino Uno. And it's so simple, and I hope you can do it yourself. So today, all that we need is the Rebellion 3G shield, which I've already ordered. Okay, you can see it in here. The Rebellion 3G shield. This is my SIM card. This is the whole shield, and I also bought an extra antenna in able to be able to send my emails. Okay, and I'm going to use this in conjunction with the PIR sensor, just something small, just to make just something small to work around as a project on. And we do have our Arduino Uno in here. Buzzer for sounds, for notification. The PIR, as I said, is already here. You can see that. And I have some RGB LEDs to do the light indication. And I also made up my own personal, I could say, breadboard or something like that, just to be able to mount all my connections. So, without wasting too much time, let's get on board. Okay, so before embarking on this project, first what you need to do is to register to an SMTP server, because the 3G shield does not support the TLC protocols. Because in most emails, they are using the TLC and other stuff. And for that, the 3G shield does not support. So if you really want to send an email, whether it be Yahoo Mail, Gmail, you need to sign it up to an SMTP server. And so this server, this site in here, as you can see the web address in here, you could use that web address, get to it, and then you sign up for free. That is, if you are new to this, you can just sign up for free. Just put in your emails and all of that stuff, and you are good to go. And you'll be able to sign up. When it's done, they will give you the SMTP server port address, your email, your username, and some other stuff. And this website also talks about the 3G shield that we are using in here. And as you can see, it has all the information that you need. And it also comes along with the codes for you to be able to complement onto your Arduino. So mostly, it's very easy to work with. As you can see, there are some of them that it has the Arduino codes, and then it has the Raspberry Pi codes. So it's very easy for you to complement and then start with it. So without wasting much time, I have done my registration to this site, and I've got to my server port numbers, my email address, and then everything. So all that I need to do is to encode it into my code, and here is the root code that we're going to use. So first you need your SMTP server, which is that, and the username is this. As you can see, the username is that, and then I have my password. It's not supposed to be disclosed. Our port number, and also, yeah, that's for the email inside. What you're going to do is in three sections, sorry. Our 3G shield is supposed to send a text message and make a voice call, and at the same time send an email. So here is the phone number at which you're supposed to make the text messages too, and also the phone calls too. And here is the text message you're supposed to send to our phone number. Hello dear one, there is an intruder in your house. Call the police as soon as possible. As soon as possible. And here is for the SIM card registration. For you to be able to get to the internet, you need the PIN number. I do not have them, and the APN number. It depends on the SIM card you are using and the network that you're supposed to, your carrier. So here in Ghana, I'm using Airtel. So my APN is the internet, and then the username is Airtel Internet, and it gives me straight connection to the net. And here is my sender address. This is my email at Gmail. This is the new site I created, and the name of it is that. And I'm sending it to my email address. This is my email address, iani@gmail. So I'm supposed to receive the email in my Gmail box, and the subject of the email is supposed to be intruder alert, and the body is hello dear one, there is an intruder in your house. Call the police as soon as possible. Okay, so with this, the pin verification, where I'm putting my PRL pin, my blue LED, my green, my red, my buzzer pin. Just something short to keep us going. And in the setup, that's the pin mode for the 3G shield. We are using the baud rate of 115200. PRLs and other styles are being initialized and declared. Our loop is, so here what we're going to do is mostly send an email, send an SMS text message, make a voice call, we delay for some few seconds, and then we will send our email. After that, we get back from the loop, we break from the loop. So it's going to be so fun. Just stay in touch and let's get going. As you can see, okay, here are my functions that I'm supposed to use for the sending of the message, making of voice calls, sending the emails and all that stuff. So without wasting too much ado, let's get started. So we're now going to do the building. Now for this video, I just want it to be so real that you could also follow up with everything I do. So I'm going to start from scratch, okay? So our Arduino that we're going to use. This is the PIL sensor. This is the 3G shield. And our speaker, our buzzer. So what we're going to do is, first I need to connect the 3G shield to the antenna. Okay. The 3G shield is now connected to the antenna. And I'm going to start the 3G shield on the Arduino. But first, you should know that the pins that I'm going to use are already scripted in here. And from my code, my PIL sensor is supposed to go on pin 3. The blue LED is on pin 4. The green is on pin 5. The red is 6, and our buzzer will be on pin 9. So from that, you could also take the same terminal plates from the 3G shield. So I stack the 3G shield on it. My PIL pin is supposed to go on pin 3. So if we start from the 0 pin, 1, 2, 3. So the PIL pin goes to pin 3. That's the signal pin of my PIL. That's the yellow pin, which you could check. That's the out pin from the PIL. Close it. Then from the shield, we have to take in our voltage. So from the shield, we are going to pick our positive and negative volts from the Arduino Uno, which is the ground and then the 5 volts. From the same, we are also going to use in ground, So this is my ground, and this is my 5 volts. So I'm bringing that voltage onto this board, so we can also pick from it. So my key IR is also going to pick its voltage and ground from this same thing. So my voltage, that's the 5 volts, and then my ground goes here. Okay, so my PR is connected. Now I'm going to connect the RGB. First, the ground pin has to go to the ground pin. Now the blue pin goes to pin 3. From what we've done, this is 0, 1, 2, 3. The blue pin goes to pin 4, sorry. I know. 0, 1, 2, 3. So next, beside the 0 is my blue pin. And then next is the green, that's 5. So from 4 goes to 5. Then our red will be 6. So 5, and so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now our buzzer goes to 9 and 9. So 6, 7, 8, 9. So that will be this way. And then the ground will definitely go to ground. So now, yeah. So cool. Everything is now set. But then, the 3G shield, if you want to upload codes on it while it's tagged on the Arduino, you need to unplug it because it uses the serial terminals also. So like it's kind of conflict. So for you not to get confliction when you're uploading code, all you need to do is remove the stack from the Uno. Then just put your code in it before then you mess it up. So get my stuff, and then I'm gonna upload code into it first. So back to our. So all we're gonna do is now compile code, but first we check our tools and see the board is the Uno. Good. So then I compile, then I upload the code onto the board. So I do the upload and we're done. First we have to check the terminal and see that everything is running. So I have to change the baud rate to 15552, right? And then put back the terminal and see. Okay, so we are now going to get a reading at that time. Okay, good. Okay, so now that the code has not been uploaded onto the board, now all we're going to do is to now stack back the board into it. So I put my board back into it. All that now I need to do is put it back, and then we'll see what's going to happen from our terminal. First of all, I need this stuff to be free from distraction. The PR was supposed to be free from distraction. My buzzer is still here. And then I upload. Okay, now I power it up. Now we're going to see what's going to happen in the board. Okay, now you can see these are the readings that we are now getting. Okay, so what you're going to do is do some small interaction with it. That is for if we move. So So what you're going to do is do some small iteration to it. That is, when we move our hand all across it, like that, the PIL triggers, and then we are now supposed to be getting the text messages. So if you see, when the green comes, that means the text message is going on. For distraction's sake, let me take out the PIL there. So we get our message. Hello, dear one. There is an intruder in the house. So you'll be getting a call very soon from our system. So predict one. Okay. Now we have a voice call from our project one. And as the voice is then disconnected by itself, we are supposed to get the email for which the terminal is supposed to be showing. So now you're now sending the email. So from that, I've already opened my mail. So I'm supposed to get the email in here very soon. So it's still in the process of sending the email. So when it's done, it will tell us that it's done. Okay, so it's done. So you're supposed to get the email very soon. As of now. Now we just got the mail. So, hello dear one. There is an intruder in your house. Please call the police as soon as possible. So I hope that was so informative to you, and nice working with you, and I hope you really had the best time together. So right now we could do our own mailing system that we could send to ourselves to get notification every now and then that there is an intruder in our house. So this was just something small to give you a brief view of what the 3G Shield could be able to do. I tell you, the 3G Shield is so much powerful. There is a GPS section also in it that we can use it, but hey, it's all up to you. You can make it yourself, okay? So let's stop exploring and make the best out of it. So see you next time. Please don't forget, when you like this video, hit our like button, subscribe to our YouTube videos, and like message, there are more videos coming. Stay in touch and see you. Bye bye.